Hi, my name is Maddie, and today I'll be painting a house mouse, Mus musculus, using gouache. While I paint, I'll share a few fun mouse facts. In scientific laboratories, this mouse is one of the most important model organisms. In 1997, the first animal cloned from adult cells that survived to adulthood was a mouse named Cumulina, and she lived for 2 years and 7 months. The complete mouse genome was sequenced in 2002. An adult mouse has a heart rate of 632 beats per minute, while a human heart only beats 60 to 100 beats per minute. Mice eat their own poop to get nutrients produced by bacteria in their intestines. House mice, like most other rodents, are not able to vomit. The mouse's tail is used for both balance and thermoregulation. It releases body heat to keep the mouse cool. Mice that live in hotter regions tend to have longer tails so that they can release more heat. Mice are one of the few singing mammals, the others being bats, whales, and human beings. Male mice will court their mates by singing high-pitched ultrasonic songs. The complexity and uniqueness of each melody is comparable to birdsong. A mouse can squeeze through a hole the size of half a dime. And finally, a group of mice is called a mischief. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Until then, stay lovely. Bye.